Not many guys that live in California are comfortable with the snow.
I grew up in San Diego, California, the exact opposite of Maine.
Unlock that camera.
You put those things in these?
I put them on the top, yeah. You see how he turned the short lane turn under the jump into 2 jumps?
Yeah.
That was super careful. Yeah.
Race control to pit area Eric. Please send the first 2 trucks to the VFG tent.
Heading down there now.
Attention all personnel. We are 15 minutes until the course goes hot. Okay, Racing Jason, stand by.
So everybody get ready for the first truck.
Attention all personnel. Essential radio traffic only. The race course is hot.
Coming up, Sam. There, setting him.
Here comes the Red Bull Frozen Rush 2015 edition.
Copy that.
Camera 40, you hear me? All right, so pan left.
And McCachran's on the inside. Douglas is into his lane.
Renazetter with a slight advantage.
I'd love to have him cross the course and be ready on camera 11.
Ricky with the jump and the number 48 in contact.
Does anybody have any reason not to go hot?
Copy.
So Johnson's got a lot of ground to make up.
Starter, checkered flag on the next truck to you.
Menzies got the advantage. Huge gap here.
Okay, top the bully rope.
Menzies gets the win!